Go to our website, bbctrikes.com. You buy a t-shirt, gets you an entry to basically win a trike kit. Now, this is gonna be a standard trike kit. It's gonna come with the base parts, which is gonna be subframe, swing arm, triple clamps, and intake. So that's usually about like a $300 to $3,500 kit, and that gets you guys started. One shirt, one entry. If you get 2 shirts or 3 shirts, that's 3 entries. The shirts, as soon as you place the order, they're gonna get processed and shipped out, and then we're gonna do the final drawing basically on December 20th. So we're super pumped about it. I wanna see more of you guys winning these. If you can't afford it, this is a way you can literally spend like 25 bucks on a shirt and possibly get a trike kit. So again, head over to bbctrikes.com. I'm gonna put the link in the description to our website. I'm also gonna link right to our apparel page, and you guys can get signed right up. And it's all gonna be ran through our website. Definitely gonna wanna take advantage of this. If this goes well and we get a bunch of hits on this, man, we're gonna be giving away a ton of stuff. It's gonna pull up the website. We're gonna show you guys what we got on there for apparel. All right, so they're going to our website, bbctrikes.com. What'd you click? There's a little banner at the top.
Yep, it says any custom apparel purchase. It's your chance to win a free standard trike kit. So you click up there and it brings you to the custom apparel section.
So any of this gets them an entry.
Anyone that has a raffle.
Any one piece of shirt, hat, whatever that says raffle next to it gets them an entry.
Sweatshirts, long sleeve shirts,
Yes,
beanies.
made in America with the BBC Trikes in the front. Yeah, we got a little winter hat, guys. And the way we're gonna do this, guys, you can basically choose any of the bikes that we make kits for. It's only gonna be the ones we make kits for at this time.
And it's only a standard.
And it's a standard kit. So you guys can see this retails for $36.70, 3 full, so go down. Just wanna show them what it contains. Triple clamp, rotor adapter, subframe assembly, intake kit, battery box if your bike is an electric start model, headlight, taillight mounts for some of the enduro models. We don't make them for all. Looks like billet front hub, front axle, foot pegs, and some instructions.
And they could add more. Whoever the winner is, they can add more to it.
Yeah. So again, if you need more than just the standard kit, you can get tires, rims, plastic, all the other pieces from us too. If not, we'll just ship you all those parts to whoever the winner is, and you can source all those parts yourself. It's totally up to you guys. bbctrikes.com. What's our phone number, babe?
520-372-7560.
Okay, so you guys got any questions, give us a call. It's pretty straightforward. I think I covered it. But again, go to bbctrikes.com. You guys possibly win a trike kit. So I'm going to insert some pictures of a couple different trikes that we have built, and it kind of gives you an idea of what you could possibly win. So see you guys in the next video. It's kind of like an old school retro theme. The customer was wanting to do like a 250R style graphics, and this thing looks pretty cool. I mean, let's do a little walk around. I'm gonna start riding around. We got the headlight on here. You guys can see all the gold powder coat. Obviously, we tore this thing down to the frame. Got the frame all powder coated, OEM color match. switch right here. Going with ASP levers. You guys saw the comparison video we did. It's like a week ago, comparing this next to the CR250. It's just really cool having this style theme done on a newer bike. It just gives it a completely different look. Forworks took care of the seat cover. So this is kind of replicating that OEM Honda seat cover that's now discontinued. They used to have the nice one with the blue cover. Can't get them anymore. Unless somebody knows where to get them, let me know. From our distributor, we can't get them anymore. But we got these guys on here now. Everything fit real nice. Yeah, got the gold on the swing arm, gold on the wheels. We went gold on gold with the bead lock. I think that looks real cool. Definitely makes it pop. This customer went with the full Yoshimura exhaust. Everything fit real good on that, as always. Yeah, other than that, bike's sick. I mean, it's a 2021 ready to rip. It's got our full trike kit on here. Everything from billet hub, got the billet triple clamps. You guys already know we're making the complete swing arm assembly, the complete subframe assembly, so everything's able to allow us to make an ATV seat and plastic fit on a brand new dirt bike. So I'm gonna stop yapping. You guys hear me talking a lot of videos, and I'm gonna get to ripping this thing around.